In this video, I will show you how to play Hamster Kombat on your iPhone. So what you want to go and do is make sure that you have the Telegram app downloaded. So it's not an actual app. What you will need to do is download Telegram. So just search for Telegram and go and download it. It's free to download and you can really easily create your account. So after creating your account, open up your browser, for example Safari, and go to hamsterkombat.io. Now once you do that, you will get to this website right here, which will be the Hamster Kombat website. From here, click on Play Now, and then it will open up the Telegram app and you will join this group automatically called Hamster Kombat. Now in order to play it, you will see this right here, play in one click. So click on play in one click right there. And then it will open up the game right here. And if you click on the arrow in the bottom right a couple of times and then click play, you can now actually start playing Hamster Kombat on your iPhone, so you can shave the hamster and just play this game. So now you know how to play Hamster Kombat on iPhone. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.